English pronunciation of vowel sounds. Lesson 1. Introduction. I've made quite a number of videos on pronunciation, but I thought it was finally time to make a special series of videos to help you practice English vowel sounds. So this is my introduction to English vowels. All English vowel sounds are voiced. They're voiced sounds. That means if you take your hand and place it on your throat, you will feel vibrations as you say each vowel sound. O, A, E. Again, all English vowel sounds are voiced sounds. We use our voice. The air and the sound flow out of our mouths when we say vowels, and they're not blocked or obstructed in any way. How do we shape the sounds? First, we can talk about the position of our lips. Our lips can be rounded, aw. Our lips can be spread, e. Our lips can be relaxed, ah. We can also talk about the position of our tongue. Our tongue can be high inside our mouth, ee, or it can be low, ah, or it could be somewhere in the middle, ah. We also then can talk about our mouth being open or closed. That's related to the position of our tongue. It also helps to talk about whether vowels are long or short. Some vowels are very short, I, and some vowels are longer, A. And finally, we can talk about how tense our mouth needs to be to make a vowel sound. Tense versus relaxed. E, I, E, I. Some vowels are more tense than others. So as we talk about English vowel sounds, I'll be helping you understand how to make each one by telling you the lip position, the tongue position, the length of the vowel sound, and how tense or relaxed the sound is. Not all books and dictionaries present the same number of vowel sounds. In this series of videos, I'll present 15 vowel sounds. Would you like to see them and hear them? Let's start. E. I. A. E. A. Ah. Ah. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. All. I, owl, boy. I'm sure you've seen symbols like these before. You find them in dictionaries and of course in pronunciation textbooks. The question is, do you have to know these symbols to truly master English pronunciation? In my opinion, the answer is no. Of course, it is one more tool, and a tool can help you. So while you don't have to memorize phonetic symbols, it is helpful to be familiar with them. As you watch this series, I think the videos will help you gain familiarity with phonetic symbols. Very often, when all of the English vowel sounds are presented at one time, they're grouped this way. Do you know why? It has to do with the position our mouth is taking to produce the sounds. Watch my mouth as I say this first group. E, I, A, A. Again, E, I, A, A. Where is my mouth more closed and where is it more open? E, A. E, A. More closed, E. More open, A. Let's do the same thing here with this group of vowels. U, O, A. U, O, A. Where is my mouth more closed? Where is it more open? U, A. Our mouth is more closed when our tongue is high, and our mouth is more open when our tongue is low. That's why we talk about high vowels and low vowels. Now, why do I have it positioned this way with these groups? This has to do with which part of our tongue is high. Is it the front part or the back part? Think about it. E, I, A, A. The front part of my tongue is higher. E, I, A, A. When I move to these vowels, the back part of my tongue is higher. U, O, A. U, O, A. So when we talk about the front or back part of our tongue being highest, we can talk about front vowels and back vowels. And then there are vowel sounds that are in the middle. These vowel sounds are a special group. They're different from the others. This special group of vowels is called diphthongs, and we'll focus on that in one of these videos. So again, you'll often see the vowel sounds grouped this way to show that there are high vowels and low vowels, front vowels and back vowels, and our special group of diphthongs that blend two pure vowel sounds together. Let's try an exercise. Answer the questions. 1. Say gate and get. Which vowel sound is longer? The A in gate is longer. Listen again. Gate, get. A. Number 2. Say spun and spoon. Which vowel sound is longer? The oo in spoon is longer. Listen again. Spun, spoon. Oo. 3. Say choose and cheese. Which vowel sound makes you round your lips like in a circle? The oo in choose makes you round your lips. Say the word again, choose. 4. Say father and further. Which vowel sound makes you open your mouth more? The ah in father makes you open your mouth more. The words are father, further. And the vowel sounds are ah, Ah makes you open your mouth more. Ah. 5. Say hey and ho. Which vowel sound makes the back of your tongue rise higher? It's the o in ho that makes the back of your tongue high. In contrast, when you say hey, the a makes the front higher. Hey, ho. Please note, I'm American and I'm from the Northeast, as you probably know. I feel my pronunciation is mostly standard, but it may be different from other teachers, even if they are also native speakers of North American English. Additional practice for this lesson is available at EnglishCafe.com. Follow the direct link listed in the video description. I hope you found this introduction helpful. Be sure to check back soon for other videos in this series on English vowel sounds. Thanks for watching and happy studies!